Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru production, and today we're back down here at Boynton Beach. And this infamous sandbar that we've been just catching everybody nailing is back at it again. We asked you guys to try and name this one in the last video, so we're still looking for a cool name for this sandbar, but what are these guys doing here? So this kid got off the boat to help them get off the sandbar, and apparently he's gonna try and climb up from the front. Oh, man down. But this shows you exactly how shallow it is here too. Why hasn't he walked around to the back of the boat yet? Maybe he's trying to flex and impress for the girls here, but they just don't appear to be having it either. This chick's just like ignoring him. She's like, yeah, go to the back of the boat, bro. I mean, this could be a little dangerous if he gets sucked under the boat, of course, but once again, in 3 foot of water, it's probably not quite as big a deal, because likely he could just stand up and push himself out of the way, but that's just funny that he got out and these guys just took off, leaving him hanging, basically. She's like, bro, back of the boat. I ain't having it. And here we finally figure out that, you know, maybe we should just get in the back of this thing. And success. Nothing like a little day of jet ski fun. And this cruise, oh, getting a little rowdy down at the ramp. Yeah, our guy just goosed that one there. I wonder if he's having some throttle issues. And whoa. It's not the way to handle a ski around the dock necessarily. Like I said, maybe he's got an issue that's underlying here. Now we're going to go ahead and take a step back and reassess our situation and just completely reapproach this, which is typically the thing to do. If you find yourself in a situation where things just aren't going well, just take a step back. And now he's going to re-angle for the approach. Let's see if this one arrives any better than the last one. Now, I don't know why we're going to take up 2 docks here to do this, though. Oh, struggling with the line. My man is having a tough time here. Oh, there we go. Now we're going to get the easy assist in. It'll be interesting to see after seeing this event which one of these gentlemen backs the trailer up and how that event goes. And our guy who struggled on the dock is the same gentleman who is backing the trailer up, and it shows immediately. I'm just guessing he's probably not quite as experienced as some people down here, but let's see how he can finish this one out. This one's a little tougher with the double jet ski trailer too, because he can't really get the assist. His guy here can't just really go over there and pick this trailer up. He might be able to, but it's significantly heavier than a single. And man, we are going all kinds of the wrong way. And the worst part of this is it's not a busy time down here right now, so he in theory could get away with using this whole ramp, which I'm betting is going to happen. He's going to take both these lanes. Unless his buddy here pulls the classic move of, hey, you want me to do that, bro? To which I'm sure this guy will reply, no, man, I've done it a million times. And we are at least angled down toward the middle of the ramp this time, and it looks like we've decided, yes, we're going to go ahead and give us a little Boynton wobble and try and see if we can't just take up the whole ramp doing this. And he's still kind of got a bad angle. He's probably going to have to reapproach this one. But here, now that he's reset, we probably will be okay. Now if we're in the middle of the ramp, if he can just keep this even close to moderately straight, he should be able to get this down. Oh, we may have had it. And it looks like we're going to have a little success here as well. And we got another one of our fun crews coming in from Beer Can Island, and it appears her and her guy friend here are having a dance-off maybe. Let me know in the comments who you think won. Looks like he's kind of giving up now a little bit, though. We always see these guys coming in having just a great old time. You can tell there's a lot of boats back there at Beer Can Island today. And the old dock blocker is back at it again. That's one of my favorite names from the last video where we asked you guys to name it. I believe that one was submitted by John Valentine in the comments of the last video, and I really do like that one, but I'm still not 100% sold that's the name for the sandbar yet. So once again, go ahead and drop an anchor on the like button and drop a comment below letting us know what you think we should name this sandbar. It's still up for grabs. And when these guys launched a little earlier, they struggled. I'm curious to see if they have the same struggles as they come back. I mean, they look like a pro. You guys missed the part probably here where they pulled up, but I mean, this Jeep's got a snorkel on it. Maybe that's not pro. Maybe that's set up for in case this Jeep goes into the water here at the ramp. That, you know, it'll live to fight another day. Yeah, we're going the wrong way, guy. Ugh. Man, these jet ski trailers are struggling today. His life would be a whole lot easier if he'd pop that back hatch and he could just kind of really get his eyes on this trailer. It looks like he's starting to get... Oh, no, no, no! Oh, he's too late. He turned the wrong way. Oh, we're going to go out for the little two-hand assist. And we're going to re-straighten this one back up. We didn't want to go see if a fourth time was a charm, so we're going to just try and make this third trip the trip to finish the job. There you go. Eye it up. And let's get ready. And we're going to, now that he's lined up, he should be able to finish this one out. I mean, he's already halfway down the ramp now. Slow and easy, baby. Slow and easy. And now we're going to get a little bit of success. It is unbelievable, but we're going to see this one happen live. He's heading directly for the sandbar. The sandbar has been just a killer the last couple of days out here. And they're on. Yep, they're not moving. Cap's like, what'd we do? Oh, man, here we go. Gonna try and force his way off of there. Tell you what, this sandbar's getting them all, man. They should put a marker out there. And here comes our guy trying to finish his day getting the boat back onto the trailer. He struggled getting this back down the ramp, but it took him 11 minutes to do it, and I'm not going to make you guys suffer through that 11 minutes. I'm just figuring it might be a little interesting watching him get back on the trailer, and we've already started interesting as he's missed the first attempt. He is way too far to the right. The wind is whipping today. You guys can probably see that a little bit on the camera and probably hear it a little bit. Let's see how he does on his second approach at trying to get this thing back around. Oh, we're going to have to fully pull out and reevaluate the situation. Oh, there we go. A little heavy on the throttle, but got to get that momentum going somewhere. And I bet this time he's going to make it. He's got that nose about right. And with the wind, everything's going to push itself right back to where it should be. Well, if he turns the steering wheel the correct way. Oh, there we go. Remember, you always steer from the stern. When you're turning that wheel, you're moving the stern of the vessel, not the bow. It looks like he's on, and he's going to finish his day. And I'll tell you what, we are as well, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us a bunch of great content down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. We also have Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.